Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to hit that subscribe button before the end of the video. So I've got Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm seeing some still get the Boxycharm boxes. I haven't. This is not my paid box. This is a PR box, and I got all of them in one day. So I just got a big box with a bunch of Ipsy boxes in it, and that's just how it's rolling. Okay, so if I remember correctly, it's $28 with that $1.99 handling fee, and you get 5 full-size items. So let's see what we have. Okay, spoiler alert, I did use one of the items already, the Lovecraft Beauty, and I did the liquid liner on my eyes with that, and it worked okay. It wasn't bad. So I will have to look up prices to put them on the screen for you. But yes, the Lovecraft Beauty. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so you've got the marker side. What's the other side? Oh, it's 2. No wonder why. Hang on a minute here. Oh, one's really finely tipped. Okay. And then the other one's like the marker kind. I just totally did not know that until now. All right, and I did use it, so go figure. Really wasn't paying attention, I guess, then, huh? Okay, next. Okay, I've seen her before. I'm pretty sure I have a bunch of these unused. Beauty Stat Universal C Skin Refiner. 20% vitamin C, brightens, retexturizes, and firms. Okay, there's a seal. Let me just open it up and show you her. If I can open it without the box ripping. Here we go. Yes, I have tons of this. These are one of the things you can actually keep in the skin fridge if you have one of those, the skincare fridge. But yeah. Smell the scent, but it's a serum. All right, moving on. Let's see what else we have. Okay, Pineapple and Coconut by Style Dry. This here is Prep and Prime Polishing Primer. This has got to be for the hair. That's what I am guessing right now. Hair, right? Oh my gosh, I cannot read this. Lightweight Prep and Prime Polishing Primer is one of a kind. There's horse plant extract. All right, so apply to wet or dry hair. It has a seal on it. Oh, excuse me. So I have no idea how well this works, but I'm definitely going to try it. All right, we're just going to move on because y'all know what it is. Okay, then we have by Tresloose Beauty. What do we have here? Playa Dreams Duo Highlighter. All right, so we got a highlighter palette. And that is Becky G's brand. Ooh, here we are. Open her up. Okay, so we have one side that's protected by plastic. I'm guessing that's your illuminator, your cream. Ooh, yes. Let's go ahead and just kind of put some on, since I don't have highlight on, and we'll try out this shade. Woo! Okay. Yep, I could totally use that for the summer. Ooh, Score. Okay, I'm liking that. It does have a mirror in here as well. Okay. And last but not least, and hopefully my favorite, the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. Ooh, all right. Ooh, look at her. Now those shimmers, they look glittery, almost like, what's that brand? Oh my gosh. Glamlight, I think it's called. Let's try. Woo! Yep, I think that's my favorite one so far. Here we have that one. Oh my. All right, let's swatch. Yeah. I'm definitely loving these colors. Awesome. So you have a mixture of mattes and shimmers. I'm liking that a lot. So that was everything. Let's recap and then let's talk about it. Okay, the iconic London Beach Babe eyeshadow palette, the Tresloose Beauty highlighter duo, the liquid liner duo, the vitamin C serum, and the Prep and Prime hair. This was actually a really good box. I'm kind of excited about this. I definitely will use everything in here. Tell me what you guys think. Did you like my box? Do you think that Ipsy is getting better now that they've merged with Boxycharm? Just be honest, let me know. I'm thinking, my paid box for the icon box stunk, but I'm going to be showing you my PR box next. So anyhow, if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in here for you, and I can't wait to talk to you down in the comments, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys real soon in another one. Bye!